We are seeing AQI levels of 400 and 500 across the news. What do those numbers actually mean?
So normally AQI is being estimated converting the pollutant concentrations into the health impacts that these concentrations can bring in. So when we say air quality index, so they do not represent the concentration in the ambient air, rather they represent indexing with respect to the health impacts. So if you talk about safe limits, so as per Central Pollution Control Board, which is a regulatory body in India, so the safe limits are from 0 to 100 of AQI, wherein which falls in the range of a good and a satisfactory air quality. And if it goes beyond 100, so which basically means that slowly and steadily the air quality is degrading and it becomes harmful to breathe, not safe to breathe. And as the level increases beyond 400, 500, it becomes that unsafe that even for a healthier person, there are higher chances of getting short-term and the long-term impact of the various illnesses due to air pollution.
Advisories suggest staying indoors and events are being rescheduled. Does the air quality inside a closed home differ significantly from the outside, or are we still at risk?
So you need to understand the air that we are getting inside, it's actually being penetrated from outside only. You're not going to purify any air inside the house. Rather, inside the house, the ventilation would be far more restricted as compared to what is there outside, which will lead to the buildup of pollutant concentration inside the house. So eventually, what happens is inside the house, sometimes the concentration that you are exposed to is much higher as compared to what you are exposed to outside the house.
What effective measures can we actually take? Do consumer-grade air purifiers and masks work against severe category pollution, or are they ineffective at this scale?
So if you're staying in a closed room, definitely air purifier would work because they work well in a confined spaces. While you're going outdoors, always recommended to wear masks. Apart from that, every individual can take small steps. A lot of people are burning garbage. So maybe some warm clothes can be donated to these people, and these people can understand that how harmful this burning of a garbage is. Similarly, we can promote use of a public transportation as much as possible. The other thing is a waste segregation and proper disposal of waste that at an individual level we can do. So these are some of the small measures that every individual, in my opinion, should be taking in order to have a long-term impact on air quality.